Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Figma to FigJam for team branding workflows step by step clearly. Start by opening both Figma and FigJam in your web browser. Ensure you are logged into your Figma account. Create a new FigJam file or open an existing one. In Figma, select the file you want to connect with FigJam. Copy the elements you intend to use for branding. Switch back to your FigJam file. Paste the copied elements into the FigJam workspace. Adjust the size and position of the elements as needed. You can use the FigJam features like sticky notes and shapes to enhance your branding process. If you want to access components from your Figma design, ensure you use the Figma integration within FigJam. To find this integration, look for the Figma icon on the FigJam toolbar. Click on the Figma icon and select Import from Figma. A window will appear showing your Figma files. Choose the appropriate Figma file you want to connect. Select the specific frames or components you want to bring over. Click the Import button to insert them into your FigJam file. Once imported, you can further customize the components using FigJam tools. Use comments and voting features to gather feedback from your team on the branding elements. Continue to iterate on your designs based on team input. Repeat this process whenever you need to update or add new branding materials. Remember, seamless collaboration is key to successful branding workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.